I have added couple of more inquiries here, and what we want to work on now is details. When we click on the details, we want to see all the details about inquiry. So for that, we'll have to stop the application here, and we'll be doing that in inquiry controller. We will be adding new action method. We'll copy the index and paste here for details. As you notice, in details, we are passing the ID of the inquiry. Based on that, we have created a view model. If we go take a look at our models, we have inquiry view model with one header and multiple detail. So let's create an inquiry view model here. And what we can do is we can create this on top. So I'll copy this. In here, we'll do prop for properties. We'll paste inquiry view model and let's call it the same. When we do it right here, we can use bind property. With that, when we post this, all the data will automatically be available in the details post. So here, let's just load the inquiry view model with a new view model here. And first, we need to populate the header. Header, we have the repository, which is inquiry h repository, and we'll do first or default here. We will get it based on the ID. So u.id is equal to the ID that is being passed right here. Once we get that, we can populate all of the details from inquiry detail repository.getAll, and we'll say u goes to u.inquiry header ID is equal to the ID. Now in the details, we have application user ID and product ID. What we are more interested is to include all of the products. So we'll do include properties and we'll include the product. That way we will have all the details like name of the product and price when we have to display it in the details. So we'll copy this view model and we'll return it to the view. This looks good for our get action method for details. Now let me create the detail view. We'll go with the razor view and we'll add this. In the next video, let's work on adding all of the code and looking at the details for inquiry.